Have you been thinking about buying a water maker for your boat, for disaster recovery, for your house, or even just for general preparation? Well, in this video, we're going to make water and test water with our new Rainman portable water maker. Coming up. Is that water surrounding us? Hi, I'm Dean.
I'm Danielle.
And we're sitting here on our boat that we moved to, living out our dreams, making videos, hoping to inspire you to live the life that you've always wanted to live. Hoping to inspire you to live different. Today, we ran out of water. And we were lucky enough to have a Rainman Watermaker we just bought at the Miami Boat Show. We're sitting in the Intercoastal Waterway in a place called Lake Worth. You can look it up on a map. It's a very popular anchorage, and it happens to be that our anchor is broken and we needed to get some water. So today what we're going to do is make water, which we're doing right now. We've set up the whole water maker, and we're going to take some water out of the lake, and we're going to take some water out of the Rainman Watermaker. You're going to see both of them happen, and then we're going to test them with this tester right here. And we're going to see what the difference is, and we're actually going to drink the water that we get out of the water maker. So I'm going to get behind the camera. I'm going to hand it over to Danielle. She's going to show you what she did. She's going to grab some water out of the Intercoastal Waterway and out of Lake Worth here in Palm Beach, and we're going to drink some fresh, clean water.
All right, it was on my to-do list today to set up the Rainman Watermaker, and honestly, I was kind of dreading this. It's been on my to-do list for quite a while. I'm not the most mechanically inclined person, so I was a little bit intimidated by the process, but I had to tell you, it was super easy, and I'm not even saying that to be kitschy. It was easy. Dean sat right here, and I just took it to the front of the boat and just went through this instruction guide step by step and got it working. So basically, part of the reason that we got it is we are going to be traveling to some areas in the Bahamas, southern Bahamas, Exumas, where some people told us that it's a little bit more remote. And the idea of always having to stop at a marina to get water just kind of made me feel less independent. So for anyone that's interested in a water maker, to have more freedom to travel further and not be worried about those sorts of things, I think that this technology just kind of frees you up to go adventuring and not worrying about when your next water stop is going to be. So if you want to come up to the front with me, I'm going to show you what I did. I might not be able to share the most technical terms, but it wasn't that technical, and it's working right now. I got it to work. So let's go up there and let's drink some water. Okay, you guys, we're going to head up to the bow of the boat where I set up the Rainman. The second time that I do this, I might set it up somewhere different, like back on the stern, see if it works better there. But ideally, we might even keep it inside and put all of our hoses out of a hatch, so I don't even have to bring the thing outside, because it's about 55 pounds, so you gotta have some muscles to move it around the boat. So come on up front. This is the Rainman Watermaker. Right now it's running, so it's gonna give you a little bit of feel for how loud it is. One of the things I did is I put my yoga mat underneath the unit, so that when you're inside the sailboat, the sound doesn't resonate as much through the hole. So the unit is here, it's about 55 pounds, easy to move around the boat, a little cumbersome. But this is our pre-filter right here, and this attaches directly to our reverse osmosis membranes. So you're going to see now we are in Lake Worth, North Palm Beach, West Palm Beach. A common area for people to head across to the Bahamas. So I think it's called Little Lake Worth right now. So pretty populated little place to anchor. Because the motor on our anchor broke down, we're kind of stranded. We can't go to marina water, so we had to make the water today. So I'm gonna pull our ocean water right out of Lake Worth. So now we can test that against the Watermaker.
I get brought back in to do the technical stuff. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna test both the water from the ICW, or from Lake Worth here in North Palm Beach, and we're gonna test the water that came out of the Rainman Watermaker. And we're gonna do it with this parts per million water tester. And you can get one of these if you decide that you're gonna order a Rainman Watermaker from the CTAS group here in the United States. We'll leave some notes in the show notes section below. We'll leave a link down there. You can tell them that Dean and Danielle sent you there. They will give you a Watermaker, or a Watermaker. They won't give you a Watermaker, you're gonna have to pay for that. But they'll give you a water tester. They'll give you a whole bunch of filters. Danielle mentioned the pre-filters when she was up in front of the boat earlier, where there's lots and lots of wind. We're sorry about that, but it is what it is. This is real time. This is the real deal. They'll give you a bunch of water filters, and they'll give you a bunch of free stuff.
Like beer koozies.
Like beer koozies. And they'll also even give you the Danielle and Dean $25 discount. It's not a lot, but it's the best we could do for you. So let's give her a test right now. And I'm gonna see.
A normal safe drinking water is under 500 parts per million.
Okay, so what we have here is this glass right here. This is our seawater, basically. It's the water that we got right over the side of the boat. You can see that flashing light right there means there's so much salt in the water that it can't be tested. It's very, very salty. Trust me, I tried it. In fact, I went overboard the other day and it was really, really salty. That's in a different video. Okay, now we're gonna test the water that we just made, and like Danielle just said, anything under 500 parts per million is good, safeable drinking water. It's good, safe, drinkable drinking water. And right here, we have parts per million of 294. Actually, 283 now. And if you try it, you can see that it tastes really, really good. It actually tastes really good. After doing this today, I think that we're super, super happy with the results. We're happy that we had it on board because we broke our anchor and we can't move. And we've got fresh water. So if you're thinking about a Rainman Watermaker, check out the show notes below. Give Chris at SeaTech a call and they'll hook you up and you can have fresh water whenever you need it.